49. An object with initial velocity v0, as shown above, slides up and down a long frictionless inclined plane. Which of the following is true of the object as it moves? Well, before we begin our analysis, it's important to notice that this object, given that the surface is frictionless, undergoes the same forces going up and going down. It has a gravitational force this way. One of its components is the one that pulls the object downwards. It has a normal force perpendicular to the surface, and that's it, because it says that the surface is frictionless. So, neither of these forces depends on whether the object is moving up or down. So you will have the same net force and therefore the same acceleration, both going up or down. This then rules out option A, because the acceleration doesn't change by direction, or B. Now, there is some net force, so there cannot be a constant velocity. You can also rule out C. And finally, it says that the acceleration depends on the net force, and the net force is constant. Neither of these two forces changes with time or position, so you can eliminate option E. And so the option here is that it has a constant acceleration, the same moving up and down the plane, and that is option D.